What's up, y'all? So I'm sure y'all seen this, but have you seen this?
Let me run it. This is my reality.
This is
So
such
look.
a cap ass man. He wants to fuck me and fuck his baby mother and fuck all these Charlotte hoes and fuck all this shit. And me, I'll be okay with that, guys. And me come back and live here and stay in this fucking house with our child.
I don't want you to stay. I've been begging
Okay,
you to
yeah,
leave.
I know you tried to kick me out
This one of
yesterday
them
at
real.
3 in the morning.
This one of them real. This one. I'm not tripping on you coming out while you still here. You got to leave. This is real life. This not. It's not the shit with your parents.
Sure.
She's a crazy bitch. You wasn't my girl.
I wasn't your girl.
Danielle.
I wasn't your girl.
You ain't never been my girl.
Brother is right there. It's funny.
This is some trapper black nigga shit playing gone wrong.
Yeah.
That's what this is. Yeah, this is trying to trap a nigga gone wrong. I'm not
Trying to
going.
trap a nigga? Are you crazy?
Shawty,
You just
yeah.
came at me last night, you idiot.
Shout it, you beg me. You be
You just came at
begging
me
me.
last night, you idiot.
This is Jay. More to call baby, man. Let me run up a quick 10M.
Okay, don't
Let me run up.
disrespect
Let me run up a quick 10M. Somebody tell Maury to call me, man. Let's put this shit on Maury. Shorty is more material. Get up out my crib. Come on, get off my table.
Get off